Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Students, in this short video, I am going to tell you a very simple technique for this making indentation or alignment of different lines of a code or any text you want to format. You can see that I want to place these lines at this half-inch distance. So one technique is that you you move it first indentation, or you can move it together as well. So like this one. So at each line we can do this so that we can have all these all these lines starting from the same line whenever we want to have that. You can see that we can make this first line indentation because we have pressed enter at the end of line. So next line is in the as is take is considered as the next paragraph. So each line is treated as the next paragraph. So one point is that you make movement of these left indent pointers, first line indentation, and uh, this is the left indentation, and this is as a whole. So these are the two three possibilities, and one more possibility is that suppose you don't want to move this one, but you just want to have this sum starting from uh, just below this bracket. So instead of pressing spaces like this, you can have some special technique. Scroll down to make it up to the ruler, and because we are setting this place of bracket, we can place it, click over here. You will see a symbol like this, like a L or angle style, vertical angle style, right angle symbol in this line. So this means that the next position, the next tab position is that. So if at this moment, if you will press tab, you will see it came over here. If you will press one more tab, then it is just below this line. So whenever you want to set this level on that line, you can simply press, or let's suppose it was there, angle this one, and yeah, when you will press tab, it will automatically come under it. You can test its straightness or alignment by keeping the left mouse key pressed. You will see that a line will appear which will tell you uh, how aligned they are. So you can have so many multiple pointers like this on a line. So for every tab it will move over there on that symbol. So these are the tab stops. So you can make tab stops so that you can have different level of indentations for your codes or for your text. Do not indent these using simple spaces. In that case, the alignment of these three or four lines will not be sometime possible, because different characters occupies different space, and there are lower cases, upper cases, different fonts, special characters. So because of all these, it is very unusual that you can get uh, alignment of all the lines at a certain level with spaces. Even look at these brackets. I want to have the same level for this one. So you can see that I am pressing this at this point, and similarly for this, I have a this black right angle shape. So whenever I will press tab, it will come automatically over there. Similarly, so in this way, I can have these two braces aligned to each other vertically. So this is a very simple technique for having adjustment using these or this special symbol. Whenever you place tick anywhere, it will appear over there. So you can remove, I guess, as well, but it will not disturb. You can put so many extra. If you are not agree with it, if you are not satisfied with some specific location, you can have some more location into that, and you can adjust your indentation or alignment as per your choice. Thank you very much.